Hello, y'all. Today's episode was requested by the same user who requested the last episode of the Smoke Alarm Demonstration Board series. Today, we have a whole bunch of different alarms, and there are now 5 zones, which are and 5 hardwired zones, and an additional battery-operated zone for compact smoke alarms. Starting out on the top left, we have the first alert model SC5. Going over, we have the first alert 9120B. And right next to that is the first alert SMI 105AC. Below that, the SC5, we have the first alert model 7010B. This is a very late model that was made in 2024. Over here, this was a pick from me. This is a FireX i4618AC. This is a very late model made in 2024 as well. And you can actually see all the wiring that's hooked up. Down below, we have the battery operating units. This is the 1.5 generation Kita 0916. See if I can test it. Up over here, we have the first loader SA303. See if I can give it another test. This one's pretty hard to test sometimes. It can be very hard to test. Oh, and it fell off. Hold on. There we go. Up next is the Kita model i9010. And this is also a pick from me. This is the Kita model i1040. So let's give it a test. Alright, now for the hardware units. I'm going to go from here. I'm going to start out with the i4618EC because it's the simplest of the 5. Alright, now let's do the first alert 7010B. Alright, now for the first alert, SMI 105EC. This also buys me an excuse to test the silence feature on this. And there it goes. Let's give it another test. I'm going to allow it to do a cycle. This is by far the loudest alarm in my collection. Alright, let's do the 9120B. Alright, last but not least is the first alert SC5. Let's do this. If I ever end up with Nest Protects, I might do a system with all Nest Protects and this.
Press to cancel. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Here it goes.
1. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. highest level of carbon monoxide was 0 ppm.
Please see
Attempt to
manual.
connect test. This may take a minute.
That's not going to do anything since I don't have any other ST5s. But anyways, hopefully y'all like this video. I will see y'all soon. See ya.